At a distance of 4 km from Cherrapunji bus stand, Mausmai Cave is a beautiful limestone cave located at Cherrapunji in the northeast Indian state of Meghalaya. It is one of the most popular historical caves in Meghalaya and among the best places to experience Cherrapunji tourism. Revered as one of the most popular and notable landmarks in Cherrapunji, the striking natural cave is flocked by visitors in great numbers. Mausmai caves are formed out of limestone and enjoy the distinction of being the only caves in Meghalaya that are lit enough so that the tourist can enjoy its natural formations. Though the caves are quite long, only a distance of 150 meters is open for tourists while the remaining section is closed. This magnificent natural wonder is the handiwork of years of natural erosion and underground water. The cave has a spacious opening, but it soon squeezed into a narrow path. The interior is spacious as far as the cave goes, and some of the halls inside look like an amphitheater. However, there are places in the cave where visitors need to bend and squeeze themselves out. While getting inside the cave, one can see constant dripping of water from the roof of the cave and the innumerable forms of stalactites and stalagmites. Further, visitor can also observe how the roof and the floor of the cave are joined together to form the iconic pillars. The cave is home to various flora and fauna and makes a good home for bats and insects. It is one of the best places for history buffs and experienced seekers, but not recommended for old age people and kids. The best time to visit the cave is post monsoon as it is filled with water during monsoon.
ആരാ നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിലുള്ള അതല്ല കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രശ്നം കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രശ്നമാണ് കഴിഞ്ഞാലേ ആ ഒരു ചെറിയ ഭാഗമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇത്രയുള്ള ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇതാണോ? ഏ? വെള്ളമുണ്ടോ നോക്കണം കേട്ടാ. ഏ ഉണ്ടോ? കാഴ്ച ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കേ. വെളിച്ചമുള്ളോടം വരെ പോവാല്ലേ? വെളിച്ചമുള്ളോടം വരെ. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ പുനർജനി ഗുഹ നൂണ്ട പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. എന്നാ നോക്കണം കേട്ടോ.
आ जाऊंगी।